elementary school, there's an exercise that teachers could do with their students, which entails the following. The instructions say, put your name on the paper and wait quietly for 5 minutes. And then there's a bunch of difficult questions that follow. So a student who doesn't read the instructions is going to do all those difficult questions where all they really needed to do was put their name on the paper. So you've got to make sure that you read all the instructions. And my name is Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're looking at Test 6, Section 4, number 21. For number 21, you've got to remember, read all the answer choices. 21 reads, a study was done on the weights of different types of fish in a pond. A random sample of fish were caught and marked in order to ensure that none weighed more than once. None were weighed more than once. The sample contained 150 largemouth bass, of which 30% weighed more than 2 pounds. Which of the following conclusions is best supported by the data? Answer choice A, the majority of all the fish in the pond weighed less than 2 pounds. Now you might be thinking, this is true. You might be thinking, hey, what if 70% of the fish weighed exactly 2 pounds, so you might be looking to eliminate it based on that. But really, it says of all the fish, and our sample here is of largemouth bass. That's what you got to be careful of. And if you don't read all the answer choices, you might not catch that mistake. Answer choice B, the average weight of all the fish in the ponds is approximately 2 pounds. You can probably eliminate that without a problem. Approximately 30% of all the fish in the pond weighed more than 2 pounds. You could eliminate that because, again, it says all the fish. But unless you read all the answer choices, you're probably going to choose answer choice C, because D says approximately 30% of all largemouth bass in the pond weigh more than 2 pounds. This one's talking about largemouth bass, which is what our sample is from. And notice it's approximately, it's not exactly, because it is a sample, so D is your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with these survey type questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.